Welcome to the finale of the Voices of Strength series. Grabe! 7 days of growth, courage, and faith. Salamat sa pagstay, sa pakikinig, at sa paglalakad kasama ko dito. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang isang bagay na hinahanap ng lahat. Purpose. Purpose is what turns ordinary days into divine assignments. It's what makes your why stronger than your obstacles. Ito yung nagbibigay ng meaning sa pagod, sa success, pati sa failures. Minsan kasi akala natin achievement equals fulfillment. Pero hindi eh. Marami namang successful pero empty. Marami ring simple lang ang buhay pero puno ng joy kasi may purpose. Purpose is not measured by how big your platform is, but by how aligned your heart is with God. As a voice actor and freelancer, natutunan ko na your purpose is not found in the spotlight, but in the source. Hindi siya nahahanap sa applause, kundi sa presence ni Lord. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you hope and a future." Ibig sabihin, hindi aksidente na nandito ka. Hindi aksidente yung gifts mo. Hindi aksidente yung story mo. Hindi aksidente yung struggles mo. Everything about you is intentional, si God dyan. You were crafted with purpose, placed with purpose, called with purpose. And when you start living intentionally, when you wake up and say, "Lord, how can I honor you today?" the smallest things can become meaningful. Conversations become ministry. Work becomes worship. Your voice becomes impact. Your life becomes testimony. So as we end this 7-day journey, I pray that you don't just find your purpose, that you live it. Every day, every season, every opportunity. Purpose turns an ordinary voice into an eternal echo. See you and God bless.